Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Blake. I'm here in my home office with a cup of tea. My day is busy, but I'm happy to be with you.
Hi, friends. I'm Zara. I'm sitting by the window. It's a quiet morning. I feel calm, and I'm glad you are here.
Today, we'll talk about feelings in English. Feelings are important in daily English. They help us connect. They help us speak in real life.
Maybe you feel nervous before a test, or maybe you feel tired after work. That is normal.
I get that. I felt nervous before a meeting last week. My stomach said hello. So if you feel that way, you are not alone.
Don't worry. You can learn step by step. We will use easy English and a slow, friendly English conversation.
You will learn simple ways, how to express feelings in English, how to ask others about feelings, and how to answer in a natural way.
Yes, this is great feelings vocabulary to learn English fast, little by little.
Quick warm-up. We do a tiny feelings check-in. First, say one feeling. Then add a short reason. Then respond kindly. Now ask yourself, how do you feel today?
Happy, sad, excited, worried, or tired. Any feeling is okay. Take a breath. We're here with you.
So, Zara, this morning was... Wow, I woke up late. I looked at the clock and I said, oh no! Then I missed the bus. Oh no, Blake.
That sounds hard. How did you feel?
I felt stressed. I felt stressed because my morning was too fast. I had no time.
Yes, stressed means you feel pressure. You feel like too much, too fast. Stressed.
And I also felt worried. I felt worried because I thought, maybe I will be late.
Anxious. Worried means you feel scared a little, in your mind. You think something bad maybe happens. Worried.
Gentle. How about you? How was your morning?
My morning was calm. I woke up early, I drank water, I played soft music. Peaceful.
I felt relaxed. Nice. Relaxed means calm, not stressed. Your body feels easy.
Exactly. Relaxed. Calm. Easy.
How do you feel when you have a busy morning?
I feel stressed. I feel stressed because I have many things to do.
Same. And honestly, I need coffee to feel better.
Yes, coffee first, feelings later.
But also, sometimes I feel tired, or even a little lonely. Like, I have many things, but I feel alone.
Thank you for saying that. And hey, it's okay. If you feel tired or lonely, you can say it. You are not weak.
Thanks, Sarah. That helps.
Okay, friends, your turn. Pause for a moment. Say one feeling out loud. Just one, like happy, tired, worried, or relaxed.
Gentle pacing. Okay, Zara, now let's talk about stronger feelings. Sometimes I feel angry. Not all the time, but it happens.
Yes, it happens to everyone. What happened to you?
One time, I had a plan with a friend. Then the plan changed late. I was ready, and then, boom, no plan. I felt angry, controlled.
That's normal. But we can say it politely. We can say it softly.
Right. We can add small words like a little or kind of, so it sounds calm.
Yes, and your tone matters too. Your face matters too. If you speak slowly and gently, it feels safer.
Also, sometimes I feel upset. Upset is like, not angry big, but not happy. Maybe you feel hurt.
Good. Angry is stronger. It can feel hot inside. Upset is softer. You feel sad or disappointed or hurt.
Empathetic. Like when someone doesn't reply to your message.
Yes, you might feel upset.
Gentle. And here is a funny one. Sometimes I'm hangry. Hungry plus angry.
Yes, if I don't eat, I become a small storm.
Same. Then I eat a snack and I'm a nice person again.
Friends, it's okay to feel angry or upset. You can say it calmly, you can say it kindly.
Now, think of one time you felt upset. How can you say it softly in English with a little or kind of? Zara, can I notice something? You seem a little quiet today. Are you okay?
Thanks for asking, Blake. Yes, I'm okay. I'm just a little tired. Long week.
That's a perfect answer. Short and polite. I'm a little tired. Simple.
And you're
You can ask in many daily life places. Practical. With a friend, you can say, "How are you feeling?" Friendly.
With a classmate, you can say, "Are you feeling okay today?"
Polite. With family, you can say, "How do you feel?" Warm.
And at work, you can keep it simple and polite. "Are you doing okay?"
Small tip. Helpful. Smile if you can. Use a gentle face. And don't push. If someone answers short, that is okay. Respectful.
Yes, asking is caring, but giving space is also caring. Kind.
Honestly, I like when people ask me. It makes me feel seen.
It makes me feel seen.
Me too. I feel warm inside when someone checks on me. Let me try another question. What's wrong with you? Slightly too direct. Example tone.
Ooh, that can sound too strong. It can feel like blame.
Serious. Ah, yes. So a softer way is everything okay? Or did something happen?
Gentle. Exactly. Softer and kinder.
Quick role play. I ask, you answer, then we switch. And friends, you can try this question with someone you trust, like a friend or family member. Now let's add small details. Not big, not hard, just a little more.
Yes, we can use one helpful word. Because. Because.
For example, today I feel excited. Excited! I feel excited because I'm meeting a friend after work. Smile in voice.
Nice. Short reason. Clear reason. Excited because.
So how about you, Zara?
Today I feel nervous. Nervous. I feel nervous because I need to speak English in a meeting.
Honest. Lots of learners feel that too. Friends, if you feel nervous about English, you are not alone.
Yes, making mistakes is normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
When I feel nervous, I take a deep breath. In and out. Then I take a short walk. Steady.
I do something similar. I write my thoughts or I talk to someone I trust. It helps my mind feel quieter.
And guess what? Small wins are real wins. One time, I said one English sentence at a cafe. Just one.
That is amazing, Blake. You did it. You can feel proud.
I really did feel proud. Proud because I tried.
Okay, friends, gentle challenge. Think of one feeling and one simple reason. Just one.
Remember, short English is good English. Keep it simple. You're doing great. Zara, can I share something small? Today, I feel tired and also a little worried. I have many tasks.
I'm sorry you feel that way, Blake. That sounds heavy. Thanks for telling me.
Just saying it helps.
I'm here with you. It's okay to feel tired. Do you want a small help, like a short break or a glass of water?
A glass of water sounds great. And a break, too.
Relief. See? Support can be simple. We don't always need big advice. Sometimes we just listen and say, I understand.
Yes, I feel better when someone listens. Even one kind sentence can change my day.
Same. Warm communication is good English too. And it's good English too.
Also, rest is not lazy. Rest is smart.
Yes, Team Small Nap agrees.
Friends, think of one kind sentence you can say to someone.
And remember, good English is not only grammar, it is care, it is connection.
Okay, friends, now we go into learning mode. Still calm, still friendly. We will speak slowly.
Yes, and remember, you don't need all the words today. Choose just a few to practice.
Word 1. Happy. Happy means you feel good. Example idea. You get good news and you feel happy. Happy.
Word 2, sad. Sad means you feel not happy. Example idea. You miss someone and you feel sad. Sad.
Word 3. Nervous. Nervous means a little scared before something. Example idea. You speak in class and you feel nervous. Nervous.
Word 4, excited. Excited means very happy and you look forward to something. Example idea. A trip or a fun plan. Excited.
Word 5. Stressed. Stressed means too many things to do. Example idea. Exams or work. Stressed.
Word 6, relaxed. Relaxed means calm and easy. Example idea. A quiet evening at home. Relaxed.
Word 7. Upset. Upset means sad or angry because something happened. Example idea. A small argument. Upset.
Word 8, proud. Proud means happy with yourself. Example idea. You learn a new skill. Proud.
Helpful phrase. I feel. This starts your feeling sentence. Example idea. I feel because.
And because gives a reason. Keep it short.
Kind question. Are you okay? You can use it when a friend is quiet.
Great. Now pick 3 words and say them slowly. That's enough for today.
Okay, friends, quick recap. Today, we practiced feelings in daily English.
Yes, we named feelings like happy, sad, stressed, relaxed, upset, and proud.
We also added a short reason. We used I feel because.
And we learned how to ask kindly, like, are you okay? Or how are you feeling?
Then we practiced support. We can listen, say I understand, and offer small help.
If you forget some words, it's okay. Just listen again later. Little by little, you improve.
You are doing well. Don't worry, your English can grow.
And right now, notice your feeling. Just notice it.
And feel proud of yourself for practicing today. Now, question of the day. Ready?
The question is, how do you feel today and why? Please comment. Speak slowly. Short answers are perfect.
Model idea 1. I feel happy because I got good news.
Model idea 2, I feel tired because of work or because I studied.
Model idea 3. I feel nervous because I'm practicing English.
Thank you for sharing. Even if your answer is very small, we're happy to read it.
Before we go, thank you for learning with us.
If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe.
And write your answer in the comments.
Tiny next step. Say one feeling sentence today, alone in a mirror, or with a friend.
Bye for now, friends. You can do this.
Yes, learning English can be calm, simple, and possible. See you next time.